a local, experienced lawn care service that you can depend on to meet all your lawn care or landscaping needs. Since 2001, Rainforest Landscape has been providing expertise in the landscape development, construction, and lawn maintenance services to residential and commercial clients in the Metrowest, Massachusetts area. From paving parking lots to stone and brick driveways, veneers, walkways, to constructing stone walls, stairs, patios, chimneys, granite treads, and pioneering in the major land development. The outcome of our projects reflect every aspect of landscape services we offer. When quality and high standards count, Rainforest Landscape can be counted on to get the job done with our crew that takes pride in their craftsmanship. Please contact us today to schedule your free on-site project evaluation and see how Rainforest Landscape can enhance and beautify your property. Call us today, 508-958-2733.